What's up, everybody? I'm back for another one. It's been a while since I've done like a MotoVlog by myself out here. Couple reasons why too. I think, you know, I hate giving excuses, but this kind of is what it is. So number one, it rains a lot and we're just in that rainy season. And part of the problem with doing MotoVlogs by myself when it's raining is the media, whatever it's called, the media mod for this GoPro, it'll leak water. So if it rains pretty hard, it might destroy the camera. So I've been trying to be careful with that. And then I've just been going for a lot of rides with my wife, so I haven't been on a whole lot of solo rides. And then whenever I do go by myself, I'm just kind of, you know, jamming out to some music and haven't been in the mood to talk. But I don't know, today I was mowing my lawn and I was listening to, they must be coming back from a car show, a couple of those Corvettes. But yeah, I was mowing my lawn, listened to a couple of MotoVlogs by some of my go-to vloggers. They got the same bike as me, the Ninja 650. So there's City Ninja, and this other one I always mess up the number. I think it's 603 Vibes, or 306 or 303 or 606. I think it's 603. I think it's like the area code where he lives or something. But yeah, anyway, lack of MotoVlogs due to rain, not really being in much of a talkative mood, just kind of enjoying the bike, enjoying riding, and riding a lot with my wife. And whenever I ride with her, one of us or both of us is usually singing. So I know, well, I don't think anybody really wants to hear us singing. Maybe sometimes I'll throw that in, we'll see. And yeah, just haven't been feeling like doing it, but a little bit of inspiration today, listening to some other guys. Oh my gosh, my bike's so loud, I love it. I've been wearing headphones, or not headphones, but earplugs. Earplugs. All right, I'm gonna try to talk like I'm not going through puberty. I've been wearing earplugs a lot lately, and today I'm not, so I can hear my bike a lot louder. But yeah, so for my wife's bike, the CBR 500R, it was just a slip-on. You basically unscrew two screws, two bolts, and bolt on the new one. Super easy. We got it done in like 10 minutes. Mine took maybe like an hour or something. It's a full system, so I had to actually like undo the headers at the top down here. And then I had to undo the bolt that the exhaust is hanging from. And then, yeah, pop that gigantic 20-pound thing off of there and put the new one on. And it's really not that hard, but messing with the fairings is always a pain in the ass. So I didn't make a video of that because I hate fumbling around with the fairings, and I don't think anybody wants to see that. Oh, I hear an ambulance or something. Don't know where it is. Can't tell if it's behind me or where. Oh, well, there it is. Hi. Ooh, that is really messing with my ears. Between the exhaust and the siren. We've been having a lot of bikes go down around here. I heard in one of the vlog videos I was listening to while I was mowing the lawn earlier that a guy, I can't remember where he lives, the 603 Vibes guy, mentioned that a lot of bikes have been going down. They've been going down in this area too. We've had a lot of people moving into this area. The traffic's getting really bad. And I'm seeing, I follow one of the groups on Facebook that posts like accidents and stuff, and there's like, I feel like every day, every other day, there's a car flipped over because there's too many people going slow and too many people going fast, and it's just a bad mix. And then with the motorcycles, people aren't being safe. Oh yeah, there's a cop behind me. I should probably remember that and not go too fast. Yeah, a lot of the, not a lot, but some of the trying to do a conservative little rev under the bridge because I want to do it because I got the new exhaust, but there's a cop behind me. But yeah, you know, some of the younger riders, newer riders are just not being responsible. Or, I mean, you can be as responsible as you want. You still can't help from people not looking out for us. You know, you can wear whatever you want to try to make yourself visible, and it may help sometimes, but it's not, it's dangerous. It's dangerous to be out on a bike in the road with cars. And I'm gonna pass these guys, but at any moment they can decide they want to go. Some big ass trucks. I just scratched my helmet like I was gonna scratch my nose. My nose is itchy. This lane is ending up here on the right, so they're gonna have to try to get over. Ooh, nice. A little bit of crackles. Don't hit me, truck. Don't hit me. That old dude's staying cool on his bike. So I was just thinking, like, alright, so I was talking about my wife and how I don't really like motovlog when I'm with her. So another reason I don't really motovlog with my wife is because when I'm with her, I'm trying to like look out for her, make sure that she's safe. She's being safe because she's a little more reckless when she's with me. I guess because she feels safe. So I'm just trying to like look out for her. Hey, look. I get to jump in front of this car. Yup. Yeah, so I'm looking out for her. You know, whether she's behind me and I'm constantly like looking back, checking on her, or if she's in front of me and I'm distracted by staring at her butt. Ooh, there's a little pothole. Okay, so motovlogging while riding with my wife. Yeah, so I'm just like really paying attention to what me and her are doing and looking out for hazards, trying to be the safe one, designated driver, if you will. Not that she's impaired, but if she's in or on a vehicle, I guess she's impaired. That's messed up. But, you know, most of our videos are just us playing around at stoplights, waiting for the light to turn green, listening to our music and listening to each other sing, I guess. Ooh, it's hot. So I think I've just got to Try to get out a little bit more whenever we're both home with the kids. And then do my little MotoVlogging while she's at home with the kiddos. So that way I don't have to, you know, worry about another person. I could just kind of focus on what I'm doing and then make some videos. It's warm. There's the cops. Good thing I didn't lane filter because I was thinking about doing it, but it is against the law in the state I live in, which is Florida. Which, by the way, another thing, anybody's interested in this exhaust, whenever I'm parked, that exhaust sits right up against the swing arm. I guess that's what you call it. So when it's hot, I'm thinking that there may be a problem, so I need to try to adjust that a little bit more. Another thing I need to be aware of whenever I'm riding by myself is when I go to pass somebody, I need to make sure I'm using my signal and looking, because I posted a video not too long ago, a short, where I went to go pass somebody and there was a car trying to pass me at the same time and I had to get back over. And I felt like an idiot, but I was also mad because, you know, that's close to being an accident, and, you know, I didn't feel like I was completely in the wrong, but then hindsight, looking at the video, I didn't really look before I went and my signal wasn't on, so I was a big part of the problem in that one. And then yesterday, riding with my wife, I passed somebody, and right when I did it, I realized I didn't use my signal and I didn't look. So I've got to do a better job of doing that. I gotta look out for myself a little bit better. I know yesterday there were a lot of cops out, so trying to be aware of that too. Haven't been pulled over yet, not planning on getting pulled over. A little bit of rev match in there for you guys. The trick that I'm still working on is rev matching and tapping the brake, because I definitely want to let people know behind me that I am going to be stopping. A little kid over here checking out the bike. Look at this shit. Ooh. That shit is lifted. I would have to like jump into that shit. Or like I pole vaulted when I was in high school, you know, where you run with a giant stick and stick it in the ground and jump over another pole. I would have to pole vault to get into this freaking truck. Yeah, the wife just got a truck. Got rid of the SUV and got a truck. She's been wanting one of those for a long time. And I have to jump up into that thing, but it's not as high as this one. I definitely don't want to ride behind that thing. Come on, let's go light. This is the worst part about riding in the heat, freaking waiting at stoplights. Here we go. I love this freaking exhaust, bro. Brother, I love the exhaust, brother. I should get over. I'm gonna go. I want to go over this bridge, go down a little bit, and then loop back around. Chuck E. Cheese! Chuck E. Cheese! I didn't know there was a Chuck E. Cheese here. It takes me back to when I was a kid. Chuck E. Cheese was fun. It was exciting. I took my kid there for a birthday party a few years back, and she was freaked out by the giant rats. Because, you know, kids get scared of stuff. Why is this guy kicking this thing? But I do enjoy the bridges. Like, I live in an area where there's a lot of bridges, a lot of water. We're not too far from the beach, so we get to ride up and down the beach. So it's nice for the wind. It's nice smelling the beach. I'm also, with the motovlogging, trying to figure out a good place to put my mic inside my helmet, because with it hot like this, I'm breathing pretty heavily, and I don't think you guys want me sounding like Darth Vader breathing into the mic the whole time. Look, I am your father. Rest in peace, James Earl Jones. That guy was a legend. Yeah, I'm trying not to breathe too heavy into the mic. It's probably still happening, but I feel like we get more accidents and stuff whenever it's raining, not when it's super hot out. So I don't know what's going on. Fire trucks and ambulances and cops and all kinds of stuff. I see you, brother. He's up there all by himself, where I wish I was, but I'm stuck back here behind all these cars. I love these bridges though. I feel the wind already. Be able to see the water here in a second. Get up nice and high and see if there's any rain in the area. Like, there's rain over there, you can see it coming down. It looks like it's the only place over there. Oh, this is so nice up here. The wind feels great. Water looks nice. Looks like we got a stoplight up ahead. No, people are just slowing down because we're going down a bridge, so you gotta go slow when you're going down a bridge. Oh yeah, I'm gonna find somewhere down here to turn around. Just go back the way I came. The bike's so loud, I love it. Please don't hit me. Thank you for not hitting me. Did I mention I love my exhaust? I told my wife yesterday, I'm like, hey, can I tell you a secret? I love my exhaust. And she got all mad because she thought I was going to tell her I love her. Which I do, but you know, that's a skill right there. Oh, he's turning. You don't have no signals, or he just doesn't want to use them? Oh, that's a sick ass bike too. That's some like chain on it, maybe a skull. We're gonna turn around pretty soon. I don't want to get caught in that rain. Maybe I should do it now. Yeah, we're gonna slip through here. Don't turn on me, buddy. Yeah. What's up? You do it. You headed back up north? Or no, you be down here. Are you down here year round?
No.
You guys coming down right now?
Yes, on vacation.
Oh, okay.
North Europe.
Oh, nice. I hear it. I hear it. Have a good one, all right? I should have asked him if he drove it through the ocean. Oh, here we go. Yeah, buddy. I love it when cars get out of the way. Oh, look, there's a plane. Are you guys hearing this exhaust? I'm loving it. I'm not loving that quick stop though. Shit. We're gonna come over here. Oh, fuck. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta watch out for that shit. I wonder if he even knows that he did that. Hi. Were you aware that you pulled out in front of me?
Sorry?
Back there, you were behind some other cars, and I was going around you, and you turned in front of me, and I had to slam on my brakes. So just try to be careful, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. It just scared me a little bit. But it's okay. And, you know, I won't retaliate, but I'll twerk on you a little bit. Alright, just be careful, okay? Alright, thank you. Instead of punching out mirrors, they get twerked on. My first thought was, hey, I'm going to keep it calm. Let her know she's got to look out for motorcycles. And you're going to get twerked on. Alright, so I know everybody's going to say that I did something wrong. I'm sure I did. So let's just think about what I could have done differently. I could have moved over and expected him to turn out in front of me. I could have tried to get all the way in the other lane. I don't know. Was it because I was talking? I have to go back and watch the video, but now I'm also thinking, how good was the twerk? How good was the twerk? Remember, guys, don't get mad. Just twerk it. Oh, it's hot. I think I'm ready to get home and take a nap. Because I'm an old ass man. I gotta stay in my own lane. Yeah. Don't turn in front of me. I just had to deal with that bullshit. Wasn't sure if they had turning signals on. Just hazards. Oh, it sounds so good. Yeah, we'll get over here. we're going. I see a popo. Alright, look, signal, go. I'm trying to be a good boy out here, okay? I'm not trying to die, I'm not trying to look stupid. I think I'm gonna have to get back over though. It sounds so fucking good with those pops, dude, on the way down. Blipping the throttle and shit. I want to go, but they're probably not gonna let me go. Nope. Oh, a bunch of bikes. See some storm clouds up here though. I don't see any rain coming down, but I don't think I'm ever gonna get used to that. Alright, so is it worth it to get an aftermarket exhaust on a 650? I mean, if you like your bike and you're gonna keep it for a while, why not, right? So I think it was like, I want to say 800 bucks. It costs a lot of money if you're getting a full exhaust versus I think my wife's for the CBR was 500-600. Still a lot, but I think it was worth it because I'm planning on keeping this bike for some time. This bike's fun, and this just upped the level of funness. Its funness factor is a step above what it was for sure. Not trying to have another one of those already. Oh man, I love it. I think it's totally worth it, man. Go get you an exhaust. What are you gonna do? A U-turn? Really? Really? I think they need to add something to a car. Maybe a light above the turning light that can let other cars know that you're planning on doing a U-turn. Because I probably wouldn't have got as close to that guy had I known he was going to be stopping to do a U-turn. Alright. See any popos up here. Here. Fucking puberty. I'm not going through puberty, but I fucking sound like it. Damn. Are you turning too? That would be amazing. Is there any way you could drive this car like a Camaro instead of a Spark? I feel like I picked the wrong lane here. Let's go, Spark. I believe in you. Sparky! Let's go, Sparky. No, you gotta be paying attention to that light. Look up at the light. Good boy. Come on, Sparky. No, stop looking down. Stop looking down. Look up. When that light turns green, you gotta push on the gas pedal, okay? I believe in you, Sparky. Come on, let's go, let's go. What are you doing? You failed me, man. Oh, Sparky. Alright, this guy's gonna let me over. Hi, Sparky. I had such high hopes. You didn't make me proud. Oh, this feels so nice. Open road, no cars in front of me. Alright, we got a stoplight up here. How can I tell? Because those cars are going that way, and if they're going that way, then we're not allowed to go. Listen to it. Oh, gotta be going a little bit slower to hit first gear, I guess. Why you got, oh, okay, I didn't know you were gonna do that. I thought you were taking my lane. Oh well. It's alright, car behind me, don't worry. I got you. I will be paying attention, and I will go when the light turns green. Bye, Sparky. I'm thirsty. That's what happens when you're out in the sun too much. You get thirsty and dehydrated, and your brain stops working. There's a cop over there, maybe. We're gonna get over here and try to avoid people fucking turning out in front of me. Yeah, I wave to scooters, so they're on two wheels too. Feeling. I'm on the lookout for you kind of people right now. You last minute lane switchers. Oh man. Thought there were less cars in this lane. Wrong choice. Should have went over there. Sometimes you make the wrong choice, but you keep going and you fix those bad decisions by swerving in and out of traffic. Wait, no, that's probably not the best idea. And there's a cop. This lane is going faster. Look, see? Watch these people. Don't come into my lane. Don't do it. Don't do it. Something's tickling my nose. Don't know what it is, but it's tickling my nose. Think green. Think green. Green light. Stay green. Don't turn red. Don't turn red. Don't turn in front of me. Don't turn in front of me. I had a guy right here turn in front of me at the last second. They decided they didn't want to make a left onto 95. That sucked when they did that. I didn't scorch my tires like I did today, but I had to swerve at the last second. See, this little stretch of road right here, I love hitting it at good speeds, but I can't when people are in the way. Like this freaking car, man. If you weren't here, oh well. This guy can't decide what he's doing. They're both going slow. You can't go around either one. You want to switch lanes again? You think it's going to make a difference? It's that time of year in Florida, where all the slow drivers come down from up north. Only the slow ones, the fast ones probably stay up there. It's like they get to the state line and somebody checks their license and makes sure that it says slow driver.